Hi, GREE here. I thought I'd show you something I was just messing around with down here in our lab in Atlanta. I have one of these EEV mags. This is actually a type 1. It fits our EEV bodies perfect. So I just want to show you how you can use this EEV mag to manually open or close your EEV and actually do your refrigerant flow. In order to do that, what I did was I disconnected the power cable going to the EEV, because when I pull that power head off, I don't want to put power to the EEV without it not being on the valve body of the EEV. So I unplugged that first. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a call for cooling, and you'll see on my service tool here, you have your inlet and outlet temperatures. And then we're going to wait until as soon as it calls for cooling and the EEV goes open, you'll see this number change to a higher number, meaning the EEV is open. Then I'm going to go in there and manually open the EEV and show you the inlet temperature come down, and then we'll manually close the EEV and you'll see that temperature go back up. The two red lines that you'll see on that service tool, those two units are turned off. It's not going to be perfect because I don't have any real airflow going through the air handler. But without further ado, let's go ahead and run this thing and I'll manually open the EEV. So let me give it a call for cooling. So now that I got the unit running, you're going to see that the board in here is going to start giving an EEV call. When it's calling for cooling, there it goes. Now it's starting to open the EEV. So I'm going to go down here, pop the power head off. It's wanting to open it. That's why it keeps jumping that EEV step up. It's not liking the fact that the EEV is not open. Now let's manually open it. See if we can get that temperature to drop. There we go. Oh, look at that, 59 degrees. Oh yeah, we definitely got refrigerant starting to flow in there because the line's starting to frost. There we go. Now we're starting to get some temperature drop. 48 degrees. Now we're gonna go back the other way. Start closing it back off. That's not gonna make the machine very happy because it's the only unit I got running. We're gonna be stopping our refrigerant flow. Yep, come back up. We're 55 now. We're definitely starving it. You can see the frost kind of there because I'm stopping the flow. So if you think you got a problem with the EEV and you want to know whether or not it's the EEV or it's just the power head, one of these little EEV mags works pretty good. This one, the type 1, actually fits on top of that GREE EEV perfectly. With that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, at GREE, we're by your side.